You're going to survive the summer with your kids, get some really good headphones, leave just one in, and go to the trampoline park, and you are set. I can listen to my audiobook, music, just have one in so I can still hear someone screaming if I need to with the other one on. Of these, they come in black or pink. They do everything my pods were doing. I tap the earbud to accept calls, in calls, switch up your music, all of that good stuff. Sound quality is great. Battery life is super long. And I'll be here all summer not burning up. I can wear these for hours. They are so comfortable. I love the magnetic charging case. This is a fast charger. Pop it in and it recharges in just an hour. Long battery life. Definitely tap the orange card.